Welcome back everyone. I hope that you have been practicing what has been taught so far. We are taking things slow here. It's really important that you grasp the idea of using HTML and get to know basic first. Continuing with our basic HTML, today's video is going to be short. Today we will see how we can change text to be above or below the text baseline. These would be useful for typographical reasons when we have some text that we usually see in mathematical or chemical formula. We use SUP element for raising a text above the baseline. So here I have already created the file, HTML file with name Superscript and Subscript, and we have a basic HTML structure already set. So I hope that you are familiar how to have this page at this point. So now if we want to have the superscript, then we can use SUP element. So we can use this for representing exponents, something like this, or we can also use this for representing ordinal numbers, like let's say we want first, second, or third. Then what we can do is we can use SUP, right? And if I save, you can see that it's first, second, and third. And we can also use something like for Pythagorean theorem, like a square is equals to b square plus c square. Now we need to have SUP. We can see a square is equals to b square plus c square. This is how we can use SUP elements or tag, have it raised above the baseline. We can separate it down like this. If we want to have something below the baseline, then we can use SUB element for having that below the regular text baseline, and we can use this to represent chemical formulas, or we can have these used as footnotes, numbers, or whatever we need it to be displayed as a subscript. So two. And if I save it, here we can see how it is below the regular text baseline. And again, we can also use these for foot numbers. In the footnotes, we might have something like these. Could be an example of footnote where we might need to have a subscript, something like this, right? So that's pretty much it for today's video. We just learned about SUP element and SUB elements for making our text superscript or subscript. Thank you for watching this video. We'll be back with another video. Stay tuned. Bye.